Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote.
And Matt Cote.
Here with another Marketing Minute. Today my topic of conversation is going to be Google My Business. So in a previous video we talked about how you can add posts to Google My Business, which we think everyone should be doing, whether you're a local business or not. We also want to take advantage of all the features of Google My Business. You can add your services, obviously have the right category, have a company description, just fill it out completely and get reviews. And when someone searches for your name in Google, all that information shows up in the sidebar and it represents your brand very well.
So recently we did a blog post on different printing colors, whether it's process, spot color, metallic. And one thing very quick I just wanted to bring up, that it's very important that when proofing a spot color, that you understand, or your printer should help you understand, that you won't be able to replicate that spot color in a color proof. The only true way is to match to the PMS book or to do what's called an ink drawdown, which can be done by your printer. So that's my quick tip for the day.
So that's it for today. If you want to receive updates when we publish new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.
Thank you.